Yo, what's good, fam? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy TYT, and welcome back to the garage, guys. So I'm out here today, man, and I'm working on the Sentra here, man. So we're gonna do an oil change, and then we're doing a little bit of maintenance today, man. So we're gonna do an oil change, and then I'm gonna do the front brakes, cause this boy has 95,000 miles on it. 2025, by the way, but you know, top dasher here. And I've never changed the brakes though. So, and then first off, look what I did, guys. Why did I put the wheel choke in front, under the front, behind the front wheel? Like, come on, man. Come on, man. I'm gonna jack the car up. It's still gonna take off on me. Okay, I did it right on this one. Anyway, man, so I'm gonna go ahead and just get started on that, man. Let's get it. Let's go. A little bit of maintenance, baby. So let's get to it. But first, I need to go grab some tools. Look at that. To be alone, you just don't treat them bad. I'm crying out hard to me. Let this be. I don't mean to hurt you, baby. 10 and a 15. Was it a 16? She was so fine, I gotta make her mine. Seen her. Whoa, that boy is fully extended, guys. Wow. I think it was time for a brake change, guys. That's the back part of it. That's the front part of it. Crazy.
Looking for a piece of mind. I've been trying to redefine life. I can see the signs. Word is going to see me shine. Fighting for my soul's sake. Whipping fast, no brakes. Nothing's ever been a waste. Now that I've been wide awake. Loops trying to pull me back in. I was stuck for a minute and forgot the passion. Since the lights turned on, it's been camera action. And you start to see it all like a chain reaction. Watch it happen, yeah. Swear that I'ma find my way. Past been gone, I'ma watch it all fade. Whoa, guess I'm going everywhere.
There's no relationships involved. All right, y'all, so my camera overheated a little bit, so I had to grab some brake clean anyway. You see all that stuff caked in there? Make sure you get that all cleaned out. I know I should have grabbed the cloth. You gotta make sure this don't. Take your time. And keep it square. Take your time. You don't gotta do it fast. See, I can still get to that. There we go. Take my time. I got a little bit of brake clean left. Need to make this stuff last. Okay, you do that. Then you put some I don't always change these. They come in the box though. What do you mean? They come with them. I don't change them all the time. See, that's why I get the gold ones. They're just like OEM. You see how they were all the way down to this part. Loving only me. Yep. Come on, Joe. Joe. the grease is on there, so it's making it hard for me to push it on. Come on. It's hard to do this blindly.
Choose what you like, choose your people, choose your time, choose to be vibrant, choose to feel yourself, choose to transcend, choose to be your own friend.
Oh. Oh.
They will come, they will come. Like the sun, like the sun. They will be, they will be. Everything, everything, everything. They will come, they will come.
There we go. Come on.
Like the sun, like the sun. They will be, they will be. Everything, everything.
Guys, so this little thing has to slide like in the back here. I'm trying to get this little thing to slide to the top of this. It's not really working like that. But anyway, I'm gonna figure this out. Come on, John. All right, guys, so I got that one side finally completed. Got the wheel back on and everything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side. And check back in with y'all when I get to this oil. All right, y'all. So I just did the brakes on this side. Got them all done. So now I got the for the oil, I got the screw taken out. So now let's get to changing this oil, guys. I'm sitting here struggling trying to get this cap off. I was gonna try to muscle it, man. I didn't want to have to go and get a pair of pliers. So what's good? So man, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Hope y'all liked the video. Just a little creative oil change and brake job. So man, hope if you like the video, just leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, show your boy some love. But catch y'all next time I'm in the garage.